Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an
Okay guys, I hope you like the walk around video. Please do like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the new videos notifications. Now let's do the review of this model by Kyosho. It comes in two colors, that is white and black. It's made of die cast and is quite heavy in weight. Let's check out the front first. You can see the massive perforated grille with the Lexus logo in the center. It is very detailed. The front headlights with 4 LEDs and turn indicator looks very realistic. At the below you can see the DRL. It looks very good. The LED fog lamps looks very nice. You can also see the front camera here, and the chrome finishing done on the sides of the front grille looks excellent. Overall, the front of this model is superb. Now coming on to the side view of this model, it looks very nice. The side rear view mirror has turn indicator and is foldable. You can see the front tire, it rotates very easily. It has suspension but it's a bit hard. It has running board with some rubber on it, which looks great and real. You can see some chrome finishing done on the door handles, some chrome finishing, chrome lining running along with the bottom of the side windows. There is a lot of chrome work done on this model, which is very good. You can also see some chrome on the rear lights, on the number plate, upper side of the number plate, the Lexus LX570 and Lexus badge looks very good. The reverse lights looks very good, very real. I think Kyosho has done excellent job. Let's open up the doors. The doors are easily openable, they are not very tight. The interior really looks great. You can see some wood finishing done on the steering, on the dashboard, on the side doors also. There are a lot of details. The hood compartment is carpeted. You can see some details on the side doors. The analog watch on the dashboard. You can also see the seats also have very good details with some stitching work on it. It looks very real. Now coming to the back seats, you can see the speakers on the rear side doors, Lexus written on the LCDs. You can also see some details on the roof, the seat belts on the back seats. You can also see the sunroof. It can be easily opened and closed, and it really looks very nice. Now coming to the rear, the boot door is divided into two parts. The bottom one is to keep your luggage, pull out it easily. Okay, so here also we can see many details. You can see the rear folding seats. Here you can see the rear folding seats button, the model specification chart. Also you can see the seat belts for the third row. So there are lots of details on this model. Even you can see the details on the seats. Now let's see how to open and fold these seats. These are easily foldable. First you have to fold it in the front, then on the side, and they will stay as it is. So now you can see the complete boot space with the seats folded. Now let's see the engine compartment. The bonnet can be easily opened. It stays up also. You can see the details on the engine bay. Looks very nice, very clean. The engine is covered with the grey cap with the V8 written on it. So overall, I definitely recommend this model. It's a great model. It has lots of details. The interior and exterior both looks excellent. Kyosho has done really superb job.